Hey guys, welcome back to Tammy's Kitchen. So today we're going to make fried plantains with its sauce. This is such a yummy recipe, so you need to know how to make them. The ingredients needed for this recipe are 3 plantains, 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, chili sauce and spices, which will be paprika, black pepper and salt for taste. So let's start. We're going to take one of our plantains. You're going to cut the ends. You're going to just gently cut just the peeling. We're going to peel it off. Since it's hard to peel plantains just like this, you're just going to use the knife and peel it. Make sure you remove all the green parts. You're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the plantains. Once you're done peeling your plantains, you're going to wash them with rain. Now that your plantains are washed, we're going to take one of the plantains. You're going to cut them using a knife. You're just going to cut them at an angle just to get the right shape. Going to cut it. As you can see, this is the shape we want. And just like that, your plantains are ready to be deep fried. Since I had preheated my oil earlier, now it's ready to cook the plantains. we're going to take our frying spoon. You're just going to place the plantains on it, just to make it easier to place them in the hot oil. Going to add more. If your pan is big enough, you can just add all of them. Now you're going to let them cook for a while. Now as the plantains are cooking, we're going to make the sauce just to make the fried plantains taste better. You're going to take your 3 tomatoes. You're going to dice them. They don't have to be perfect sizes since you're going to blend them. Now you're going to take the onions. You're just going to cut both of the ends and remove the skin. Once they're washed, you're going to cut them. Again, they don't have to be perfect sizes since you're going to blend them. Just into fours like that. And now we're going to take our blender. Open it up. You're going to add in all the vegetables. You're also going to add some black pepper, some paprika, just a pinch of salt, and some chili sauce. You can add more spices that you like, but today I'm just going to use that. Now we're going to take some water and add it into the blender. Just a little bit, just to help the tomatoes and onions to mix well together. I'm going to close the lid. Let it it's not that well blended, make sure it still has some tomato particles. Now we're going to add it into a sufuria. Now we are going to cook the tomato sauce. Right before we cook our sauce, we're going to remove our plantains from the oil since they're ready. As you can see, they are browned at the edges, and that's how you know that they're ready. I'm going to place them on a piece of serviette just to drain off the excess oil. Now we are going to add just a pinch of salt on top to add more taste. And just like that, your plantains are ready. Now we are going to cook our sauce. For only about 5 minutes, you're going to let it simmer. Once your sauce has simmered for about 5 minutes, it's finally ready. You're going to switch off the heat. You're going to take just a small tin, and you're just going to add your sauce for serving. Just like that, your sauce is ready. And just like that, your fried plantain and sauce is finally ready. Don't forget to try out this recipe at home, and don't forget to send me some feedback. But also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Tammy's Kitchen. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!